UX definition.
UX design is user experience design. We can also say user experience in the shortcut is UX, UXD, UED or XD. User experience design is the process of enhancing user satisfaction with the product by improving the usability, accessibility and pleasure provided in the interaction with the product. User experience design is the process in which we determine when a user interact with that product, it should be very simple, very easy to use, so he should be able to use that thing in the least effort. It is called user experience design. This is the another definition of UX. User experience design is the process for designing digital or physical product that offer a great experience to the user. It means user experience design can be any digital product or any physical product in which at the end user gets the best experience while using it. This is called user experience design. User experience design is about creating a pain-free and enjoyable experiences. Inventor of UX, Donald Arthur Norman. The term UX was coined by cognitive scientist Don Norman in the early 1990s while he was VP of the Advanced Technology Group at Apple. Even today, we make our designs by following their process. What is UX? When a user interact with a product, it is called user experience design. Like example, this is the user interface. What users see and perceive. What are seeing is our user interface through which a user will interact with that product. Like this is a glass of tea. When a user drink that tea, it will be its user experience, how user feel and interact. After drinking the tea, he can feel it, experience it. Tea is sweet, tea is good or bad. So it will be its user experience. User experience design consists of so many elements.
Information architecture, content, sound, text, videos, visual design, human-computer interaction. Like example,
you put your mobile phone on charge and you get a message. And you will know from a distance that you have got a message from which app. Like you will know got a message on WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger through its sound. Because both have different sounds. WhatsApp has different sound and Facebook Messenger has also a different sound. So you did not have to go and check again. So this is the experience. How easy a product can you design for your users, in which the user's effort is less, he can use the product very easily. As you can see in this image that there is a very beautiful path, but user not following it. He made his own different path because the user's time is being saved in it, and at least in the effort he is able to achieve his task. Whoever the designers, architecture who designed this path, they must have thought that there will be any user, they will go first straight and then go left. But when the user used it, his experience was not good at all. The time of the user seemed to be more in it. The user's effort was getting more. So the user made his own different path. That's why when we design any product, we should always do the designing according to our users, in which we can minimize the time and effort of our users and give them a good experience. If our product experience is good, so the user will want to use your product again and again. UX example. UX is an iterative process. How we talk. How did we talk earlier? Earlier we used telephones. We had to go to a particular place to talk on the telephone. We could not carry that telephone anywhere. We just had to talk at one place. Like example, my wife gave me a call and the telephone is in the hall. And I have to go to the hall and I see that my family members are also sitting there. So maybe I will not be able to talk so freely. And the telephone I cannot carry anywhere. But now we have got the power today through mobile phone. You can carry anywhere while traveling, wake up, sleeping, anywhere you can carry. If the same situation happens today, then my experience will be different. I can carry it anywhere, go to the terrace or go to my room. So as you saw, how much my experience has become better as a user. How did we operate TV before? Like example, if you want to change the channel of TV, first you had to go near to the TV and then you can change its channel. And you come back to your seat. Now you have to change the volume. Then you went back to the TV again and you changed the volume and then you came back to your seat. But now today we can operate a TV through remote very easily. We can switch the channels increase or decrease the volume very easily. Our effort become least and our user experience become much better. How we start bike? How did we start the bike before? Let's understand with an example. First, we had to kick a lot to start the bike, but today we can start a bike through a single self-start button. If I had to start the bike 10 years ago, so sometimes I had to kick a lot, and many times I was not able to start the bike. I had to get help from someone, so that was quite a bad experience. But today I can start a bike very easily through a single self-start button. How much my experience got better. So this is the power of user experience. User experience is look plus feel plus usability. Your design should also be good to look at. When a user interact with that product, he will get a positive feeling while using it. Plus, it should be very simple and very easy while using it. When you are providing a problem-solving solution to the user throughout the product, this is called user experience. We do not just have to design, we have to solve any problem through the design. Like we saw in the last few examples, telephone, TV and bike. UX components. First is user needs. Whatever we are designing, we have to design according to our users. What is his needs, motivation, goal, challenges and what are the pain points. Second, business goals. We have to design keeping in mind our need as well as our business goals. And third is technology. Whatever we are designing should be technology feasible also. We could even make it. When user needs, business goals and technology feasibility, when these three things are aligned together, then UX becomes the sweet spot. UX approach. What should be our approach when designing a product? Pleasing to eyes, easy to use, and minimize the effort required for activity. Whatever product we are designing, it should be good to see and it should be very simple and very easy to use and at least the time effort we could achieve a task. Let's understand with an example. I want to buy a t-shirt. I open the Flipkart app, I search for some t-shirts, I shortlisted 2-3 t-shirts and in 3-4 clicks I was able to buy that t-shirt. His UI is very good to see and everyone can easily use it and I was able to buy the t-shirt in a very few steps. So there is a perfect example. As a designer, we have to take care of three things. Whenever we design a product, first, it looks good to see. Second, it should be simple and very easy to use so that anyone can use it. And third, it should be least step to achieve any task. UX examples. This is a ketchup bottle. This ketchup is very tasty and very good. But its experience is something like this. Whenever our ketchup becomes half empty, it takes a long time for it to come. We have to hit it repeatedly from behind. Sometimes it comes very quickly and sometimes it does not come. Then how can we solve this problem? How can we make his experience better? You have a 30 seconds to solve this problem. So this is the experience. We converted the glass bottle into plastic and we changed its positioning. If our ketchup is half empty, then it is already down. Our ketchup is thick. If the user press, then it will come out. So how our experience has changed and how much easily we are able to use this product in this way. How was the user experience was the first product and how is the user experience with the second product? Like example, once we had an office pizza party. We went to Domino's and in Domino's we ordered some pizzas. But when we used ketchup to eat pizza, the ketchup was not coming out because it was half empty. So we had to hit behind the ketchup repeatedly. So that was our embarrassing moment. And then we did not use ketchup. Our experience was really bad. And again we had another pizza party. This time we went to Pizza Hut and ordered pizza again. And then the experience of the ketchup that we used was totally different as compared to the Domino's. We are able to use that ketchup very easily. We did not have to hit again and again and our experience was really good. So this is the power of user experience. UX is everywhere. Any digital or any physical product, whatever you are seeing like AC, TV, mobile, fridge, bottle, metro, car or anything. Good UX. Good UX is solves user problem, save users time and save users effort. Your user is your king. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works.